$100 to $1,000 in just minutes is what you're going to be learning. I'm going to be showing you how to get work, how to get it done in just minutes for free. This is something that can be done worldwide, no matter what country you're in. And I'm going to show you how to get the money, to get $1,000 doing this simply, free, completely free. Everything here is free worldwide. Let's get to it. I'm going to show you on my computer right here exactly how it's done, step by step. Look at me, follow the directions, and you can do this to make money too. Let's get it. So I'm going to be showing you how to do simple online jobs. This can be done anywhere in the world from any country and make money for free. So I'll be going over first on my computer, getting the work. Second, doing it in just minutes for free. And then 3 is getting the money and scaling that up. Now, the site we're going to be discussing is a site that I use a lot. I use it all the time. And I'm on the other end of things because I'm paying people. And what that is called is it's called Fiverr. Okay, Fiverr.com. Right there. We can zoom in on it. You see it right here. And it says it's where business owners go to find the perfect freelance services for their business, starting at $5. Now, what we're interested in is we're interested in posting jobs on there and getting people to pay us money. Now, I'm not sure if you're familiar with me, but you may have seen a lot of my ads, and a lot of businesses need video ads for their business. Now, I just did a simple search here, video ads, and you can see a lot of people are selling services on video ads because a lot of people need video ads, but are people actually getting hired here? Now, check this out. We're looking at one of the posts which says, I will do professional and attractive short video ads. And you can charge anywhere from $50 to $125 this person is selling their ads for. And you can charge way more than that. I spend thousands of dollars with people to do my video ads. Now let's see how many people are actually paying money for these little jobs. So we have 192 reviews. We have 2 orders that this person is currently working on. And if we scroll down here, we'll see this person is from India right here. You can do this anywhere in the world, folks. And as we scroll down, we see almost, look, 18 hours ago, they got another review. 2 days ago, they got another review. 1 day ago, they got another review. 4 days ago, they got another review. Now, if we figure conservatively that 1 in every 2 people leaves a review, only about 50% of people actually leave a review, then this person is getting multiple jobs per day. Let's say 2 jobs per day. Now, doing the math at $50 per video, that's $100 per day. Now, I'm going to show you how to do this for free right now. So how would you create a video ad if you've never created a video ad before? Let's check it out. Now, this is a site that you can get this done for free. Take notes, people. Okay, it's called Flix Express, okay? FlixExpress.com. Now, with Flix Express, you can create videos in just minutes. And it's completely free. Let me show you. So here is their pricing. And as you can see, you say try Flix Express for free. And you can do 2 minutes worth of videos. That's the rendered file for free. So you can create a number of different videos as long as the total runtime is under 2 minutes for free. And thereafter, if you want to continue using Flix Express, you only pay $3.49. Now, using this software, which I'm going to show you in just a second here, is something that you can use to get your first job done. You can do up to a 2-minute video. You can do it as little as $5, and it wouldn't cost you anything, okay? And you can take that $5, and what I'll recommend is pay for the plan so you could do more videos. Pay $3.50, and then you keep growing your business. So now how Flix Express works is I just chose the free plan, okay? I just chose the free plan right here, and I just said get started for free. And what I did, you can see, you can create really easy, simple videos with this. Okay, let's create a video right now. So here I am in Flix Express. I'm logged in and they give you different templates you can use. So let's say we want to create a trailer video for somebody, right? A video ad. We can create this 10-second video ad. We'll click to create and it's gonna show up and look something like this. It's gonna have a name and a picture and a logo. So we'll just say customize now right there. And it says choose your images. So I'm just gonna click upload image and I'll just pick a friend's image. I'm gonna click proceed. I'm gonna click next. And I'm just gonna say Jason Capital, the ladies man. Okay. And then I'm going to click create preview. Okay. Just like that. And that's all there is to create a video, okay? That's it. And now you've created a video ad that you can send to your customer to get it. Now you might be wondering, John, how do you post a job on Fiverr? What do I do to get above the muck? Okay, so to get your job at the top of Fiverr, there's 5 different things I'm gonna show you how to do. Okay, now the first thing that people look for in really anywhere in marketing is they look for social proof, okay? And what does social proof mean? Now, social proof, what it is people don't want to make decisions on their own. They don't want to make decisions alone. Most people want to follow some sort of herd that's gone before them. So what you need to understand is people want to look at reviews from other people. People want to see how many star ratings they have. People want to see a lot of 5-star ratings. People want to see some of your other work that you've done work for other companies and this is what it looks like. That's social proof. People want to de-risk their investment of $5 or $50 or $150 by seeing what you've done previously because that gives them an expectation of what to expect for themselves in the future. Let's go to my computer and check this out. Now, simply put, social proof is reviews. And to get reviews like these, which is saying amazing work, you know, final result was impressive, perfect service, is you can do your projects for very cheap to begin with. You can start, as I showed you, you can get these done in minutes and you can do it for free. So lower your prices in the beginning just to get a couple reviews. And either way, you're making free and clear money. The next thing you want is a super quick response. Fiverr shows everybody's response times, and buyers like me prefer to buy from those who have quick response rates. Now, the third way to get ranked is keywords, and keywords is a little more of a technical, you know, non-human concept, but for Fiverr, you want to put in keywords that people might search for that relate to the service you're offering, such as for that post I was showing you, you'd want to type in video ads as a keyword and maybe video advertising and create a video or other things that people might search for, you know, Facebook video ad, YouTube video ad that they would use to find you, okay? So keywords help. And keywords also relate to a lot of different things in internet marketing if you're advertising and doing other stuff like, you know, I teach in my courses. Now, the next exciting thing is getting you more money, and that is repeat customers, okay? Fiverr looks at how many times customers keep coming back to you, which is good for both Fiverr, because it means they're returning to Fiverr to buy more things from them, and it also is good for you because it means people are coming back and paying you more money. Now, a few ideas of how you can get repeat customers is simply just being a good little online marketer, salesperson, and messaging them after they complete the project and say, hey, could you write me a review if you liked your experience, but also offering them, you know, saying, hey, is there any way else I can help you out in your business? So I can also do many other things, you know, such as logos or branding and design or whatever else you can do, you know, offer those services to them because typically speaking, if somebody is like me is getting video ads in their business, we're also buying a lot of other stuff. I spend over $100,000 per month on freelancers in my business. And there's a lot of things I need done. And if I've already worked with somebody and been satisfied with their worth, I'm much more likely to work with people I've already been working with rather than wanting to find a new person for the job. Does that make sense? Okay, now, before I get to number 5, which is going to blow your mind in how to get Fiverr jobs, and it's going to take you through the roof, honestly. If this is packed with value, guys, just type in, let's get it. Let's get it in the comments, or type in, I'm gonna get it in the comments, because this is so easy, folks. This is easy, folks, and this is free. You saw a place you can list jobs on anywhere in the world, jobs to list and how to fulfill them for free. But I'm gonna show you how to get more jobs than any other Fiverr person, and that's through promoting your jobs. I'm gonna show you 3 ways to promote your jobs for free. Now, the first step to Fiverr promotion is a really great one, and that is Facebook. And specifically, we're gonna be looking at Facebook groups, okay? Now, let's check this out. So I went to Facebook, and let's say, for instance, we were doing a video ad, right? We showed an example of how you can create video ads for anywhere from, this person is doing $50 to $100. That seems like a good range. They're getting multiple jobs per day. Now we can go to Facebook and we can type in video creators. And I just typed that in. And we'll see there's a number of groups that pop up. Now we want to go specifically to this groups tab right here, okay? Right there, and click it. Now we go to the Facebook groups and we want to join every single group that we can, okay? So they ask you some questions, what do you create? I create, I'm just gonna type in YouTube videos. We won't allow sub for sub. Are you? Yes. There's a group to talk, got it. And we are gonna be accepted soon. YouTube creators, join. So I'm gonna join all of these different groups, and we're gonna post about our job in it. We're gonna post our job, which is I will do professional and attractive short video ads. Is anybody interested? Because everybody in these groups is looking to have videos done. Folks, this is a gold mine. They're looking for what you have. Now we can go over here, and I typed in small business marketers, okay? Now once again, we can look in groups, and we see groups with, let's zoom in on here, digital online mobile marketing for small business owners, okay? Well, this only has 380 members. Here's a group of small business owners with 3,000 members. Now, my guess is a couple of them are doing video ads. Everybody's moving to video ads. So I'm guessing some of them would say, great, I'd pay $5, $10, $50, $500 for an ad created for my business. And you can do that for free. And you'll see there's tons of groups here, 8,000 members. We have 4,000 members, 3,000 members, 15,000 members. So there's a lot of groups, 25,000 members. There's a lot of groups that you can join where there's people looking for video advertising for their business. You see tons of groups. We can just keep scrolling for ages. Every one of these groups is an opportunity for you to get your message out there for free to specific groups of people that are looking for services that you can offer. Okay, let's move onwards. Okay, so the second method of promotion is actually LinkedIn groups, okay? So I'm gonna type in video creators up here, and what I'm gonna do is go to groups, okay? So I'm gonna go content, click this, and I'm gonna click groups. And we see there's some groups here. I might have to change my keywords, but show creators groups. We could also just type in marketers. Now here's a bunch of marketing groups with a ton of members on LinkedIn. Free areas to post your link. Now here we have Internet Marketers Association, 12,000 members. We have a marketing group, PR, 250,000 members. We have Marketing Pros. We have this group, Marketing Pros, 300,000 members. We have Online Lead Generation, 100,000 members. And look how easy it is to join these groups. I'm just going to go down here and I'm going to click request to join and boom. Okay. And here's another one. I literally just clicked on this group and I'm already a member and I joined. No request, no nothing. Just boom, I'm in and I can start posting inside of the group. Now, a good idea would be you could even put an example of one of the videos like the one I just did and say, I will create a professional logo or video ad for your business for $5 or $10 or $20 just to begin, and post it in there and post the video so people can see your work. You can get all this done for free and you should get a lot of jobs if you get in front of hundreds of thousands of people that I just showed you. Let's move on to method number 3 right now. Method number 3 is forums, okay? So you can post in forums and there's lots of marketing forums where people discuss marketing tactic, and I'm just looking in Google for marketing forums and you see there's tons of internet marketing forums. We say Black Hat Forum, Warrior Forum, Digital Point. There's a ton of places you can post your links, people. There's a ton of ways you can promote. It's easy to get this money. You see people from India are making hundreds of dollars a day online. Woo! Okay, so if you're committed to getting this money, type in I'ma get it, okay? Type in I'ma get it in the comments and make sure to subscribe to my channel, smash that notification icon if you want to get more videos where I just expose all of the ways that you can make money on the internet. Now, a little bit about me. If you want to go deeper and have me as your mentor, your teacher, I make about $1 million a month, yeah? Not from YouTube. I make it from my affiliate marketing business. And when I say $1 million a month, I meant $1 million US dollars per month. And I can show you how you can grow a business. I've created at least 5 other internet millionaires and I've helped thousands of people replace their incomes from their jobs and work for themselves and enjoy the freedom of an internet-based income, and you can too. And if you're interested in joining me, make sure first you subscribe and hit the notification bell, and in the descriptions, in the links in the descriptions, you can learn how you can take my course and learn under me and become financially free as well. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video. But until then, hit that like button, subscribe, leave a comment, I'ma get it, and I will see you in the next video. Put this to action, people. You can do this. It's easy.